Yo, Jamie, kind of tight quarters in there, isn't it?
Nah, man. It's wide open, just like your butt.
Yo, check it out. Try this new haisstronica wrench we got. Flex head, ratcheting, all different heads go on it. Stuff that bad boy in there.
Yeah, that's a little better.
You get a little bit more room with that flexible head, eh? Look at that, wider swings.
Yep, definitely getting the job done now. Stuff that bad boy right in there. Look at it go.
Every once in a while you get into a tight spot like this, taking the mounting bracket off of the shock. You gotta take a mounting bracket off, and to get to that, you gotta take a control arm off, which is the bolt we're working on right now. And you're just gonna be hitting up against there if you don't have a flexible head there. You got a straight ratchet, you're not gonna get that full range of motion. Now we got that bolt out. This control arm, upper, can get out of the way. Now we can get to this bolt right here. You gotta take those 3 bolts off the bracket, the shock mount bracket. Then it can all come down in one piece. Then in that bracket, there's a bolt going straight through here. Change it over with the bracket on, off the vehicle, shove the bracket and everything. There's the control arm.
Hand. What?
Yeah, we got lucky on that upper bolt. Bottom bolt we had to torch off, but you can see how tight the area is right there. So flex head, thin, ratcheting wrench works great. So that bracket, when we put it back in, this whole bracket goes all up in it as one piece with the shock attached. Dumb design, but whatever. So the haisstronica wrenches right here can be a great little addition to the tool shelf. You pull these 2 springs, your head comes off, and you put your next one in. Thin, flexible, take your head off. You come with this neat little carrying case. Bada boom, haisstronica. All right, this bolt over here, we could just use an extender straight up and down. This one's our problem child, and the cradle is directly above it. Can't get a 1/2-inch ratchet up in there, but this swivel head allows us to get it right here. And we can get this bolt out in this tight of an area.
What? No way.
Pretty neat.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's a pretty tight area.